Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful, realistic snow material in Blender. Perfect for winter scenes, snowy landscapes, or cozy holiday renders. Let's get started. First, in object mode, press Shift-A, Mesh, Plane to create a new plane. Next, scale it up to the size you want for your snowy surface. You can press S and drag. Once you're happy with the scale, make sure to apply it. Press Ctrl-A, then choose Apply All Transforms, or at least Apply Scale. Now go into Edit mode by pressing Tab. Right-click on the plane and choose Subdivide. In the bottom left panel, set the number of cuts to around 50, or more if you want even finer detail. The more cuts, the smoother the displacement will look later. Press Tab again to go back to Object mode. Head over to the Modifiers tab, click Add Modifier, Subdivision Surface, and set both viewport and render levels to something like 3 to 5, depending on how smooth and detailed you want the snow to be. Next, switch to Rendered View pane. To get a clean look, go to the World panel, disable Scene World, and enable Scene Lights Only. Then choose a nice HDI environment that has soft, natural lighting. This really helps snow look convincing. Now let's create the material. Open the shader editor. Click New to create a fresh material. Go to the Material Properties panel, Settings section, Displacement, and change it from Bump Only to Displacement and Bump. Back in the shader editor, select the Principled BSDF node. Set subsurface to about 0.05. Just a tiny bit for that soft, translucent snow feel. Then set the subsurface radius to something like 0.70, 0.900, 1.1000. These warm to cool values work great for snow. Still on Principled BSDF, scroll down to the Coat section and set coat weight to around 0.15. This gives the snow a nice subtle sheen and helps with those sparkling highlights. Now let's add some texture magic. Press Shift-A, Texture, Noise Texture. Connect the FAC output of the noise texture directly into the displacement socket of the material output node. Next, add another texture. Shift-A, Texture, Voronoi Texture. Set its feature to Distance to Edge or F1. Experiment to see what you like. Add a bump node. Connect the color output of the Voronoi texture into the height input of the bump node. Then connect the normal output of the bump node into the normal input of the Principled BSDF. This combination gives the snow those beautiful little reflective sparkles and micro details that make it look much more realistic. And that's it. You now have a pretty convincing snow material. Feel free to tweak the scale, detail, and strength of the textures until it matches your scene perfectly. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe if you're new, and let me know in the comments what kind of material you want to see next. Happy blending, and I'll see you in the next one. Good luck with your snow tutorial.